Today's video is about starch. I know when I say starch now, they'll be like starch. The starch I'm talking about is the one we use to eat banga soup, black soup, or even egusi soup. So I want to show you guys how I make my own instant starch. So what you'll be needing for this is just a kettle. You put water in it and put it to a boil, and a microwave your starch and a water. So the first thing I did now was to put the starch in the bowl, and I added a amount of the starch that I want. The reason why I didn't measure out the starch I put in the water is because we all have different sizes of starch we're gonna make at the end of the day. So I'm just gonna give you the technique. The technique in this is that you just put the starch, the amount of starch you want in the bowl, and put in the liquid little by little. So you just put the amount of water that you need in order to make it come to this texture. So the texture I have now, even though I'm stirring it, you can see that the sound is sticking. So it's not too much liquid in it. So you put the water little by little. So by the time you see that, even though it's sticking, but then your spatula can still move it around, then you know it's the mixture. The mixture is it's okay. You see. So you don't just put a lot of water, because then at the end of the day, the water from the kettle, the boiled water, is going to be coming into your mixture. So you need to be careful how you mix it with the cold water. And I know some people will be like, oh, what's the essence of this? Why not just put it on the pot and do it the old-fashioned way? Yes, it's good. But in the place where you have your banga soup, and then you don't have gas cooker or even any means of getting proper fire, or you don't even have enough pot to make your starch, you can use this method. You understand that kind of method, that jungle method, that you need to just like fix something quick. So you can even use this method even while you are in the hotel. Maybe you traveled for holiday and you have to lodge in an apartment where you don't have access to cooking, but you have your banga in your fridge and they only give you microwave. This method now, oga, you understand? Because there are some tourist places you go to, like hotel, you only have kettle and a microwave and one small fridge. See, that's the thing I'm trying to say. And another way is that even though you have all of those things in the house, but then it saves you all those times that you need to struggle on top of the fire, because even though you're using the pot, while the pot is burning at the bottom, there's sometimes the starch is still yet to done, and you keep adding water in order to get that proper done look or well cooked look. You see, this one will save you. And another thing this one can still say is that when you don't have enough starch at home to make you don't have enough starch at home that will be enough for everyone in the house, instead of the pot taking half of the starch and burning it at the bottom, you can have enough now. That one that the pot will burn will be inside your bowl. You see that thing I'm trying to say? So even at school is a quick one for school students in the that stays in the hostel. You see. So it might not make very big sense to most of us who have learned all this from the old school way. I still do it. That's how I was brought up. That's how I was taught. But then, what are we now saying? Everything is changing and techniques are coming every day. So this is my own. Somebody might have done this somewhere before, but I just thought I should share it with you guys, my subscribers. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. All of those things are free of charge. You don't get to pay for liking any video on YouTube, and you don't even get to pay for subscribing to any channel on YouTube, or you don't get to pay as well for any notification that you fixed at the end of the day. So please like my video, subscribe, and when you share this, I will be very, very happy, and God bless you when you do. Oh, okay, and God bless you still for watching. So, and you see the way this mixture is now, because I've been talking for a while now, it's settled. So it settles, and you can see that's what I'm trying to tell you. When you make the mixture, don't make it too liquidy. See, I'm stirring now. You see the noise of the thickened mixture could actually tell you the content of water that I put in here, or the amount of water that I put in here. So I'm gonna switch on my kettle again and wait for it to boil. So I'm just showing you the line. So I don't even have much water in there, you see. So I'm just going to wait for the boiling to come like a bubbly kind of, you see, proper boil. It's coming up now, you see. So, and because I will be needing my two hands to do this. So I'm just going to pour this as I'm doing that, and then I'm gonna like post this, and I've added the hot water. See, this is how it's coming up. So I'm still gonna pause and stir this properly, and then I'll show you. So guys, this is your starch. So now I'm gonna put it in the microwave, just to, it's done, it's cooked the way it is, but just to satisfy our human way of thinking, like, oh, it needs proper heat to really show that this thing done way. So I'm gonna put it back in the microwave for a while, let's say 2 minutes, and then ready to eat. I'm gonna bring out the starch now. So that's it. Isn't this looking nice? So that is it, guys. Your Eastern starch for your banga, black soup, or whatever soup you know how to eat your starch with. So that's it, guys. So once again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, click the notification button to get updates on any of these techniques that I come up with. Thanks for watching. Thanks. Bye. See you some other time.